On voting rights, when you do hear the criticism from some advocates about don't come without the plan, or others who say the president has not been personally enough involved, as he heads to this, does he feel he has the political influence to be the tipping point this week?
Well, Kelly, it's a hard question to answer because really what we're talking about is whether we can get enough votes in Congress to get this done. And that's why I think it's important to note that the president will talk about this as a fundamental right for all Americans, something that there has been a history of supporting from both sides of the aisle, something that the public should expect and demand from their elected officials to support. I think we would dispute the notion that the president hasn't been active or vocal. He's given a range of speeches. He's advocated for voting rights to pass. He said it is a fundamental priority for his presidency, and he has agreed with his vice president that she would lead this effort. We understand the frustration by many advocates that this is not passed into law yet. He would love to have signed this into law himself, but tomorrow is an opportunity to speak about what the path forward looks like to advocate for this moving forward in the Senate.
Can you speak to the role of the vice president tomorrow and what she will be talking about and how that relates to the president's message?
Absolutely. The vice president, of course, has an important role to play here as the person who is leading this effort and will continue to lead this effort from the administration. She has worked to date to help build a groundswell of support, something that many grassroots advocates have been working on for many years now, but she has met with a number of these advocates. She has engaged, and she's going to continue to speak about voting rights across the country. In terms of the preview of her remarks, we're not quite there yet. Maybe we'll have some more to say about hers and the president's later this evening. We'll see.
And as the president has